In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for data analysis. This is a simple way to understand data, find patterns, and generate insights quickly. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click the plus icon next to the message box to open the Tools menu. From the menu that appears, I'll select Add Files or Photos. Now I'll upload the data file, such as a CSV or spreadsheet, from my computer. Once the file is uploaded, it will appear in the chat. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen and type a prompt like, "Analyze this data and summarize the key insights." Then I'll click the Send button. Claude will process the data and generate an analysis, which may include trends, summaries, or key findings. If I want more specific insights, I can refine my prompt. For example, I might type, "Identify trends and highlight important patterns in this dataset." Claude can also help with comparisons, calculations, and explanations of the data. Once the analysis is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it for reports or decision-making. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI for data analysis. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.